we're gonna talk about something that I found online, and guys, this is the Condomounts pillar and wall shelves. The best thing about this, why I got this, because you don't have to drill any holes. So here, this shelves actually, they can be attached to any pillars or walls, alright? If you have a drywall or a wall with studs, you could do it all, alright? So let's just open this, and before this, let's look at the box. It looks amazing. It is well wrapped, okay? When you order this online, it will be well wrapped and given to you, and everything looks pretty nice, you know. So next, let me just open this and let's look at the contents. First, we do have this this glass panel, right? This glass panel. Let me just open one of these. Alright, this is a glass panel, yeah, and it looks sick, man. It looks nice, really nice. And this is a black option, the black option, and you have it in white also. So here is the glass panel. Next, you do have another glass panel. So the shelf, there are actually two shelves for this. So there are two glass panels. And if you look further, alright, this is something that I was surprised, alright. These are actually TV mounting anchors for metal stud walls, dry walls, and plaster walls. Right, so these are actually specially made by Condomounts to make sure that you are able to attach this onto any metal stud walls or dry walls. Okay, they have also given me instructions on how to do it. I will also show you how to do it in the next videos. Alright, so these are the anchors for the shelves. Alright, so these anchors are actually called elephant anchors. Alright, so next, what do we have here? So this, yeah, there are also instructions for you. Yeah, this book is really clear. Everything is there. Yeah, okay. So we do have all these things, and next is the main plate. Alright, to attach these shelves onto any. And for this main plate, they have also given you this safety rubber, I guess. So you just have to place it onto that, and they have given you two safety rubbers. And next, you have all these accessories to make sure everything is placed safely. Next, you have this. This is the main part of the shelf, right? The middle part of the shelf. Next, and yeah, this is what amazed me a lot. Ratchets to be attached on pillars. So this shelf can be also attached on pillars, and it's really cool, you know, to have a shelf on a pillar. So yeah, it's easy. I'll show you how I fix this shelf onto my pillar in the next videos. Alright, so that's it for now. I guess that's all. So I'll see you guys later.